Today we will see HCF basics. Under that, we will see how to find all factors of a given number. Example, let us see how to find all factors of 8. Before solving the problem, please go through the steps mentioned below. Step 1. Start dividing 8 by the natural numbers beginning from 1. When we divide 8 by 1, we get 8 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. So, this division is exact. In this case, the divisor 1 is not greater than the quotient 8. So, divide 8 by the next natural number 2. When we divide 8 by 2, we get 4 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. So, this division is exact. Observe, in this case, the divisor 2 is not greater than the quotient 4. So, divide 8 by the next natural number 3. When we divide 8 by 3, we get 2 as the quotient and 2 as the remainder. So, division is not exact. Please do not consider this step. In this case, the divisor 3 is greater than the quotient 2. So, as per the rule, please stop here and do not consider this step. Got it? Finally, collect all unique divisors and quotients where the division is exact. In this case, they are 1, 8, 2 and 4. So, factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more details on HCF, please subscribe to my channel and watch the below playlist. Thank you.